So this is the example for the star topology. The star topology, I already told that we can every computer can connect it with the central computer. The central computer may be it may be a hub. Central computer can be implemented by using hub or either hub or switch. Okay, if you are implementing by using hub means if the source data source computer want to send data to target computer. So okay, if the source when the source data sending the data to the sending the data, it will reach the hub. The hub will follow the broadcasting method. What broadcasting, or we can call it as multicasting method. In the broadcasting method, the sending message will be received by all the receiver, all the computers which is in the network. So everyone, that is already told, some if you are announcing the winners in the stage, everyone can hear your voice, but only the person who will win the game, only the person who is having the particular name will come and collect the prize. Likewise, all other computers will reject if the destination address doesn't match with their destination address. The particular the target person who that is the to whom the destination address will match, that person only will receive the message, will accept the message. So while using the hub, due to the hub follow the broadcasting method, so that it will create unnecessary traffic. Okay, in the unnecessary traffic in the network. But if you are following the switch method, then instead of the switch method will follow the unicast method. Unicast method means instead of broadcasting the message to everyone, instead of sending the message to everyone, the switch will send the data only to the corresponding destination only. It won't send the data to the others. So if you are using the switch as a central node, it will ensure the security of your data, and it will ensure the privacy for your data. So none of them can hear your message. But if you are using hub means everyone has to hear your message, but only the recipient will receive the message. So there is a advantage while using the hub. And one more advantage here, the printer wants to send message to the printer. This computer wants to send a files to the printer. If this is using hub means the printing file will send to all other computers which is connected to the network. But if you are using switch, so the printing file only sent to the particular destination, correct destination, so that the printer only will receive the printing files. Okay. In the meantime, all the other links are free, so that the computer A and B link is free. They can communicate. So when you are using the hub, only one communication taking place at the same time. But when you are going for the switch, multiple communication can be take place. So this computer sending the data to this computer, but in the meantime, both links are free, so that they can also communicate with each other. So simultaneous communications is possible when you are going for the switch. And advantages, it is less expensive. So central node is managing everything. So it is if any one link is broken down, then is easy to isolate the particular node. If any one of the node not receiving the message means, it is easy to locate that node. So fault detection also possible, and fault tolerance also good. But the disadvantage is we can easily one more advantage is we can easily reconfigure. Reconfigure means easily add the new nodes to the hub or the switch, but it is limited to only the number of adding the new nodes, limited to number of ports available in the center node or hub. Here only 10 ports are available, so we can connect only 10 computers. So this is the disadvantage also. So if the central node fails, the entire network get paralyzed. So that means the entire network goes down. Okay, but this star topology is mostly used in LAN to build local area network. So it is used in high speed LAN. So from this, now you know what is the difference between the hub and switch, and what is the advantage if you go for a hub, and what is the advantage if you choose the switch. Switch means multiple communication can take place at the same time, but hub means only one communications happen at the given point of time. So this is an example for the star topology. In this star topology, all the computers are connected to the central computer. If one links fail, means it won't affect the remaining network. But if hub or switch or the central node fails, means the entire network has failed. It is called single point of failure. See, the hub fails, the entire network has failed. This is the example for the ring topology. In the ring topology, the data flow in the only one direction, and every computer is having every computer is connected with the two neighbors. Only exactly two neighbors every computer is having. But the disadvantages is if any one of the link goes down. See here, if this link is broken down, then the entire network goes down. This is the disadvantages of ring topology, but it is rarely used. This is the example for the bus topology. The bus topology, all the computers are connected with the backbone. The backbone is using the coaxial cable. Okay, this is the bus which carry the data from these computers. Any computer can send the data at the given time. So this backbone is implemented by using coaxial cable, and this tab is the tab is called BNC connector or P connector, and the cables are cables are ended with terminator at the both side. If the terminator is not if the terminator is not in the at any end, then the data sent by the computers will be will bounce back. It will lead to the so if the no terminator means actually the signals will bounce back, and it leads to the data collision. See here, the data is bounced back in, and it leads to the data collision, so that all the data gets corrected. None of them will receive the correct data. So this is the example for the mesh topology, fully connected mesh topology. Okay, in this, if any of the link is broken, there is no problem. There are multiple paths are there, so the data will go to the destination by make use of the another path. See here, now link has broken now, but anyhow the data flow is occur. So the mesh topology followed in the internet. Okay, internet is the best example for the wide area network. This is also example for the wide area network. Wide area network, we are having the multiple paths from one computer. Even if the node is actually failed, then it won't affect the entire network. Example for the topology. In this, two computers are connected to one another by using hub or switch. Here they have used the switch. So okay, if the two computers want to access the internet, means the switch has to connect with the modem. So the modem only permit the internet access. So from this modem, the switch get the internet access. From the switch, both computer can access the internet. Now this wireless wireless router also connected with the switch. So we can connect. This is a wireless, but this is the wireless modem. So with the help connecting the computer's laptop, you can connect your computer laptop with this wireless modem, and this wireless router again connected with the switch. to access the internet. This is the actually infrastructure of the topology, LAN topology. It may be wired or it may be wireless. This is the example for the personal area network. In the personal area network, we can connect the devices with one another through Wi-Fi or the infrared or using the Bluetooth technology. You can share the files from this tablet to the laptop, everything. This is the example for the personal area network. This is the example for the wireless connection. So first the switch is connected to the modem to get the internet access. Then all the routers or wireless routers are connected to the switch by using wire. Okay, and we can connect here only one router is connected with the switch, and all other switcher are accessing this router, and with the help of that this again access the switch and switch access the modem to get the internet. So see, your laptop is accessing the nearby Wi-Fi connection, and this Wi-Fi connection is accessing this Wi-Fi access point, and this one accessing this access point. This access point accessing the switch to get the internet access. Like this is the topology infrastructure. You can connect any way. So you can make you can develop, you can establish the connection by in this way, or you can establish the connection by these access point also, wireless access points.